What's up guys, Andrew here, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the default clothes from your Roblox avatar. So all you have to do guys is just simply open up your Roblox account. Just head over to roblox.com, sign into your account, then simply click the burger menu on the left hand side and go to avatar. Now you will see your avatar. This is the default clothing that the avatar has, and in order to see all the clothing that your avatar has, you want to ensure that you just simply hover over recent on the left hand side of these menus and just simply click on all, and you will see all the clothing that your avatar has. Now all you have to do is just scroll through and find all the clothing that the avatar has, and you can just deselect all the clothing that the avatar has. So whatever you want to deselect, you can simply go ahead and deselect them. So if it's related to any clothing, just simply deselect the ones that you don't want, right? So just scroll through, ensure that you find all what you want to deselect. As you can see that this is deselect. Now the next thing that you want to do after you deselect all of this is just simply head over to the head and body, and you want to go to where it says skin tone. So once you click on that, you can select the tone of the skin that you want. So you can go ahead and you can select whatever you want. It's really up to you guys. So just go through, find something that you want to use. You can also click in advanced and you can choose for each section. So if you want for the entire body, you can just select a color, or you want to do it for the head, you can do that as well. You can do it for each part of the body. So if I want the head to be in yellow, I can do that. If I want, for example, one of the arm to be in a different color, I can do that as well. So just go through, set it how you want it, or you can click on all and just set for one continuous color. And then once you're satisfied, you can go ahead and you can click on done. So that's it guys. I really hope you found value here within this video. Give this video a like, let me know in the comments below if you have any question, and of course hit that subscribe button to learn more and to basically support the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.